Let's get it straight, girl, you don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day, you got that Benjamin Button.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be another unboxing hair video. So this hair that I'm going to do an unboxing on is by VRVOGUE. I will put the information in the bottom bar and some information in the video. I ordered this hair, it's ordered off Amazon. Never ordered hair off Amazon before. Y'all know AliExpress is where my go-to hair. This is the Brazilian deep wave hair. It just came in a package like this. Obviously y'all know what Amazon packages looks like. 18-inch closure, 22, 24-inch bundles. This is deep wave hair. Come on here and show you guys what the hair looking like. The package is open, but I have not opened the hair up. As you can see, it's still wrapped up. Let's get rid of that. So it comes in a pink package like this, and it comes inside another pink package like that. And let me tell you guys about the price. The price of this hair was
$87.
Yes, $87. It was some good reviews on the hair, but let's see what $87 off Amazon hair looks like. So this right here I pulled out first. It's going to be the 18-inch closure. So I'm going to take it out the package. It's going to be made into a custom unit. So let's see what the closure looking like. Come on, thing, come on. So this is what the closure looking like. It got some baby hairs. Oh, and it feels really good. A couple of strands shedded, but overall the hair smells good and it feels good. Like I said, it has baby hairs and it's kind of plucked a little bit on the hairline, but it feels amazing. Okay, Amazon. So this is the closure. This is what it looks like on the inside. I am gonna bleach this closure. So yeah, that is the closure. And if I didn't say earlier, I got I got 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bundles out of the package. So this right here, let me get the 20-inch. Start with the 20-inch. This is the 20-inch bundle. It just comes like that. In the clear package, say deep wave at the bottom. Just says virgin human hair, 100% virgin human hair. It has the name, which is VRVOGUE, unprocessed natural hair, and it has the length of it at the top. Y'all know how these packages come. So let's just go ahead and pull it out. So this is what the welts look like. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. This is what the 20-inch looks like. It's really kind of frizzy. It's not as soft as the closure, but I mean it's not, you know, it's okay. It's not, this bundle is not as soft as the closure. The closure is really soft. But it starts off soft and then it get kind of rough, but it's okay. The ends look like that. Not really thick ends, but we'll work with it, you know. But this is the 20-inch. Okay, so this is the 22-inch. I'm gonna rub my fingers through it. And I'm not getting a lot of shedding, but the hair seems a little dry, especially on the ends. If you guys can't see, I'm gonna cover my face. So kind of dry at the ends. The welts look pretty good. It's a decent amount of hair. I might have to cut the ends a little bit because the ends are kind of raggedy. But it smells good. It smells like hair. And this is the 22-inch. Last bundle. This is 24-inch deep wave. I don't know if you guys ever order hair off Amazon This is my first time. Let me know in the bottom bar, have you guys ever ordered hair off Amazon and what your experience was with that. But it just has 100% human hair around there, and then it has like a coupon code. Love the hair, share with your friends, get a $5 coupon, leave us all 5 stars feedback, and get a $5 coupon for your next order. 100% human hair, and it just has like some general care for the hair. This is the 24-inch, kind of the same thing with the other bundles. They're kind of dry on the end. The ends are, you know, you can see through the ends and they're kind of dry, but we will have to cut that off. We will have to cut that off, but the bundles, the actual like wefts of the bundles look good, and it's a decent amount of hair. It's a decent amount of hair, but so yeah, that's the 24-inch. So this is all the hair, which is a good amount. This is actually a good amount of hair. And then you have the closure. And there's the closure. So this is what the hair is looking like. We're gonna cut these ends off once I make the wig. Probably gonna make the wig tomorrow or Friday. Not really sure. But this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna give it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Just a quick video to show you guys some hair that I ordered. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.